Good morning, children. Hope all are ready. Now you just watch this, okay? Understood? Now, I don't want you to take any book. Hope all are present. I will take attendance later. Now, all must be very, very attentive, okay? Now, you just watch this. As you watch, I will read. Okay, good morning. Now, all must be quiet now. Just watch this. We need clothes to cover our body as to protect ourselves from, see, heat, cold, rain. Clean clothes make us look smart. So we should wear clean clothes, okay? And different kinds of clothes we wear according to the seasons and occasion. See what kind of clothes we wear in summer. I will play once again. You just wait. Anyway, you will get it. See the clothes in summer. We must wear light colored cotton clothes. You don't say that you can't hear because I am reading it. It was not very clear. Okay. And clothes in the rainy season. What type of clothes you wear? Yes. Now you like to go in the rainy. When it rains, you'll go outside wearing raincoat sometimes. And see the gumboots to protect your feet. And even you can carry umbrellas. And see the clothes in winter. Very cold. It's very cold in winter. You must wear woolen clothes because they keep us warm. Especially sweaters, woolen caps you can wear. And this is about party wear dress, party and festival clothes. We wear different kinds of clothes, colorful clothes according to the festival. See each one different. And mostly children wear uniform when you go to school. Okay, even they don't wear them at home. They don't wear uniform at home. See these people, police, military people, in the hospital, they wear uniform. Understood, children? It's very, you can just go back and see all this. And you have to remember certain things, good habits. Wear clothes according to the seasons. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. When we read lesson, we will know more about it. Take good care of your clothes. Okay. Now you can go through all this when you see the recording. Okay, children. And now we'll just see the next one. Already I showed you, but we'll just go deep. Now see. Now I just want Kailina to tell me what picture is this? Which animal? Kailina?
Sheep, ma'am.
Sheep. Very good. That's all. Turn off your phone, okay? And Prajan. Prajan. Prajan.
Ma'am.
Can you tell me what do we get from sheep?
Wool, ma'am.
Wool. And okay, thank you, Prajan. Now, Cyrus, tell me, what do you make out of wool?
Sweaters.
Yes, sweaters. And they keep you warm or cold?
They keep us warm, ma'am.
Very good. So like this, you must have in your mind, if I show you one picture, at once you must talk about it. Last class, we just showed only the picture. Okay, now just let us see this. I just read it. I just read that last time. The thick hair. See that, children? The thick hair on a sheep's body.
Ma'am, I need to go to restroom, ma'am.
You just go. I told you, when you have break, you must. Is it Misty? No. Okay, just go to the restroom and come back. This will be your only. The thick hair, we won't tell sheep got hair. The very, very thick hair on a sheep's body is called wool. So you must have all this in your mind, because objective type of question they may ask you. Wool. And this hair, that is cleaned and turned into woolen thread, okay? Because as you cut your hair, yes or no? Because it will grow. The boys, if you don't cut your hair, you will look like girls. So you'll have to trim your hair. Girls also will cut or trim. Cut means you're cutting like in the short. Trimming, just boys can do it. So like that way, this hair of the sheep. See one thing, children, sheep is singular as well as plural. There is no yes. So when you learn English or when you learn EVS, you must use the correct word. Sheep is sheep only, plural of sheep. This hair is cleaned and turned into woolen thread. And we make sweaters and caps, socks, all this out of this thread, woolen thread. This thread is used to knit, stitching like knit. They do it like with the hand. I think some of your parents know to do it. Mothers, I don't know about fathers. To knit sweaters, caps and socks. When you go to OT, you will see lots of sweaters and caps and socks. All that will be hanging there in front of the garden for sale, because there it's cool. And see here, I showed this picture, but I didn't give explanation. See, for babies, they have all these, and the babies will sleep nicely inside this. And sometimes you also see now, I don't know why people wear a sweater when it's raining. You must not wear, because use your raincoat when you go out. It's not very cool. And if the sweaters get wet, it will smell. Okay, children? When you have fever also, you must not put on sweaters and go out and all that. Just cover your body with a thin shawl. Okay, and see the lovely booties and all that for the small babies. Now see here, this looks scary. This is okay, 1 minute. Now I want Sri Mukilan to answer. Sri Mukilan, can you tell me what is this, Sri Mukilan? I'm not calling you according to the list and all. I'm just calling random, like
Silkworm.
silkworm. Okay, good. And I want Sanjit to tell me, what do we get from the silkworm? Sanjit, what do we get from the silkworm? Something white is there, Sanjit. Just see. Yes, Sanjit, you are not there? Okay, Sanjeevan. Thread. Now, thread. Sanjit, good Sanjit. You must tell like that. I am Sanjit. Then other child won't answer. Okay. And see. Okay, thank you, Sanjit. And see how that worm, silkworm, eating the leaf. That's a food. Eating the leaf. And see the thread out, silk thread. And we'll just see what are the things we get. We get, you can go to the recording and read all these, children, okay? Then only when I ask you question in between, you will be able to answer. We get silk from silkworms. And silk is used to make scarves, saris, and many other things. Silk saris, silk material. See now, silk skirts, small children now, even 1 year old or 2-year-old girls, boys won't have, they'll have that kurta and pajama and all that. But small girls, they will wear, even if they are 6 months old, even they'll wear silk clothes, like silk dress and all that. Okay, and they look so cute. So we get this silk from silkworms. And they feed on mulberry leaves. I don't know whether you have seen the mulberry plant. I have in my house in Kerala. And that will be light green, the fruit. After that, it will be pink, then red. Finally, when it is ripe, it will be black, just like a worm. You call it Kamli Poochi, that Poochi, that worm. My God, that looks so scary with all the thing. Like it's really bad. This silkworm at least okay. So that black fruit that is very tasty. If you touch it, that ink like violet purple color will come on your fingers. Now these worms, silkworms, feed on that mulberry leaves. Okay, there's nothing to learn it by heart. You must keep in your mind whatever you see. From seeing that picture itself, you can tell so many sentences. I will give you test like that, only oral test. I will show you some pictures what we have learned, and you'll have to observe and tell me. Children, you must be attentive in class. Okay, any doubt you can just press and you can ask. Not now, afterwards I'll give you enough time. Press that, like you can turn on your mic. I'll give you time later, because if I ask you to turn on all, we'll be playing the full. And I'm watching you in another system. How many are attending? How many are playful? All that. Okay, some are coming, joining, and leaving the class. I will take attendance towards the end. Now you just see the silk sari. This is made out of the silk thread. Silk thread. Children, when you go to RMKV, you can see how they are doing that weaving and all that with the silk thread over there. Okay, if you get a chance to go to Brookfields, that mall, they got RMKV, you can go see. Don't tell that you are coming to see. Once we have taken the children, you can just see how they are doing the saris and the material and all that. Now see here, some of us wear a uniform. Not some of us, all the children. All. Now, I think the uniform would have gone very, very short, because you're eating well, playing well. You must have grown now into big boys and girls. So the uniform may not fit. So before school could reopen, you have to check and see. See the first person now. First person I'm going to call Adonia. Adonia, can you tell me, seeing the picture, who's the first person, Adonia? Yes, Adonia.
Yes, ma'am.
Adonia, are you there, Adonia?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you didn't come in the morning, Adonia, for first class? What happened? English class?
Ma'am, she had slight cold, ma'am, so
Okay,
she took
okay,
medicines, slept
okay.
off.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you, ma'am. Because I was calling out a name because I was taking
Okay,
attendance. Okay, ma'am. Akshara, can you tell me? Okay, Adonia, sorry. You tell me the first picture. Is she all right now?
Yeah, now she's okay, ma'am. She'll be able to
Okay,
manage.
Adonia, just tell me the postman. Very good. Postman always come in uniform. Okay. Very good, Adonia. Okay, take care and get well soon. Okay, don't go in the rain. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Now, Akshara. Akshara. Only Akshara must answer. Akshara. Yes. Oh, Akshara, you also were not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're there. You came in the morning. Okay, Akshara. Akshara, I think when I called your name, you were there in the morning. No. Yes or no, Akshara? Yes. Akshara, tell me. Yes. See, 3 people are standing there. 3 people. Some disturbance. Never mind. Akshara. Yeah, 1 minute. Don't say. Some disturbance over there. Akshara, you tell me the first lady with blue dress. Who's that?
No, ma'am.
Very good. And see the man, the gentleman standing. Who's that?
Doctor, ma'am.
Doctor. And that lady, second lady?
Doctor, ma'am.
Doctor. Now, can you tell me, Akshara, how do you know, like, the first lady is a nurse and the other two are doctors? Seeing something from them, you must have told. Please tell me, how did you recognize them? First one nurse. Yes. What is the difference? Yeah. No, I'm asking Akshara. Akshara, 1 minute. See, 3 of them. 2 of them have something extra around their neck. What is it? Do you know what is it? stethoscope. Okay, doctors will use, even sometimes a nurse will use to see if somebody is very sick and all. But see, a nurse is there to assist these doctors. Whatever these doctors tell after um, treating the sick person, they will tell this nurse to write it down, what kind of tablet to be given, all that. Okay, and there is a difference. Always doctors will have a stethoscope around their neck, because anytime call will come, they'll have to run. Very good, Akshara. The next one is Effie. Effie, can you see two people over there?
Yes, ma'am.
One lady and one gentleman. Now, can you tell me who are these people?
They're policemen, ma'am.
Yeah, policeman, policeman, one, and lady police. And you see one thing, Effie, nowadays they work so hard, especially this corona season. They work very hard, and most of them are falling sick. So all
Yes.
must pray for them. All must pray for the doctors, nurses, and those who help other this corona victims and all that, because they do very, very good help to them, service. They don't even bother about their health. So you must pray for all of them. Okay, thank you, Effie. Now let's go to the
Thank
next
you,
one.
ma'am.
Thank you. Now see here, colorful India. India, India itself is full of colors there, orange, white, and green, and all. The colors, that colors is that English spelling. Actually, color COLOURS. Okay. Now just look at that sentence there. People in different parts of our country. That means we have so many states. You know that in Kerala, because Kerala is very close to us. When they celebrate Onam, all of them will wear cream sari with golden, okay, cream and gold. Somewhere cream color and something gold. Stars will be there. One big peacock will be there. Like that, ladies can wear any beautiful saris, and small children also will wear skirt and blouse, pattu skirt, they'll say. But in Tamil Nadu, if you have other festivals, you also will wear lovely dress. So like that, you know the difference. Each part of a country, they celebrate different festivals, and they wear different clothes. From the clothes people wear, you can make out from where they are. Now you just see here the first row, 4 different types. See how is it? No need to go deep. And second one, you see, again different. Third one, see what they wear for the dance and all that function. So these are the different types of clothes people wear in different parts of our country. Okay, and I hope you must have got that video of clothes. I don't know. I think so. You must have got. Yes or no? I'll ask one child. Kanira, did you get the video of clothes?
Ma'am?
Clothes. I sent one video. Clothes. Did you get it? Don't
Yes,
know.
ma'am.
If not, I'll have to see. That's what. Okay, just go through it. Whenever we send something, you just go through it. Okay, then I'll send you cardinal, ordinal numbers and maths, addition, all that video I'll send you. You can watch, because when I'm teaching, it's not necessary to show video. So people that you have to keep in your mind. People in different parts of country wear same clothes. Is it true? Is it true, Mishti? People in different parts of our country wear the same clothes. Is it true?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Now you know the answer. So like that, you have to be very, very careful when you see any question, because some questions will be given to you. The same questions won't be asked for test or oral test or quiz or whatever it is. Okay, children, we'll practice all that. Now see here, we must wear clean clothes. Always we must wear clean clothes. Morning you have to take bath. You're going to school. When I'm just telling you, when you go to school, okay? When you go to school, you're mingling with so many children over there. So you will be dirty, your clothes will be dirty. As soon as you enter the house, first you wash your feet, leg outside. Keep your bags in your room. Don't go and eat anything. Just go take a quick bath. No need to take a bath, but a body wash. So you will be clean. No worms will be there. You won't be carrying any worms into your house. Clear, children? We must wear clean clothes. Wash your clothes. Don't use the same clothes even after taking bath. When you take bath, just remove it. When you go out and come, you just remove. I'm not telling every day you have to wash good clothes. You can just hang it somewhere, but you have to ask your parents' guidance and try not to play in the sand and the slushy mud and all that, because rainy season, all the dirty sand will go into your nails, because some won't be cutting your nails frequently. So you will fall sick. So all that you have to see from small itself. We look smart when we wear clean clothes. Now you're going to school. You're just wearing squeezed uniform. How ugly you look. I'm not telling you are wearing it. Just imagine if your parents iron your clothes and you wear that, you will look very, very smart. At least the first 4 periods, you will be very, very smart. After that, we can't tell because you're too small. You have PT periods. So you'll be running about and playing. Of course, you can play. Children must play. Now you're missing all that. Games. So you don't fall sick, children. Do some exercise always. Once in a while, twice in a week, we'll do some exercise. Not this class time, special class, we can do that. Because if you start exercise, now all will be making noise over here. So we must wear clean clothes. We look smart when we wear clean clothes. Now let's see. Now I just want Fatima to tell me what is this. You must be wearing this. Only Fatima. Fatima, tell me what is this, Fatima? What do we call this dress? Yes. Tell me. Frock. See, 1 minute. Only Fatima. And see, now see the spelling of frock. F R.
Ma'am, we should write it.
Nothing. See, children, when I'm teaching, don't be going on asking, writing. Nothing to write. You cannot write. No, no. Just observe. Okay, now you listen. Don't lose that continuity. See, each one is talking over there. I just called only Fatima so long the class was quiet and they were listening. Turn off your phone, microphone. Now, Fatima, thank you. Now she finished telling frog. Now itself you can learn the spelling. Children, it's up to you to learn the spellings. Ma'am will give afterwards in classwork, but if you're so interested in learning the spellings, you can go back to the recording and write the spellings in your home study. Take a new page, write EVS, start writing. It's not compulsory. But I will give you the spellings later. Because somebody asked me whether to write. You can write anything in your home study and learn. You can try, and the parents can help them. Just give one cutout template, and they can try drawing these, and they can give. I'll make them do it. No, don't do.
Home study, ma'am.
No, nothing. See, that's what I'm not telling children. It's not compulsory for you to write in home study. You can learn the spellings. This templates you cut and keep for the dress and shirt and all that. When we ask you to draw in class, you can use it. Like shorts, t-shirt, frock, skirt. Okay, separate things. You can ask your parents to cut. Because if you're in school, teachers will do for you. But we can't help it now. So when we ask you to draw certain things in your classwork note, it will be easy. Don't worry about anything now. You can do anything in home study and learn. Drawing, writing, all that. Now, frock spelling you finish learning. F-R-O-C-K. Now, I want Joshika Mary. Can you tell me what is this? Joshika? I should ask a boy. Okay, never mind. Joshika,
Yes,
what is this? Tell me. It is a?
T-shirt.
No, it's not t-shirt. T-shirt is not this. This is ordinary shirt. S-H. Thank you. Thank you, Joshiga. Don't make a mistake. This is a shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Boys will know better because they always use only shirt. T-shirt I'll show you later. Shirt is S-H-I-R-T. I know that you know the spelling. Next one, I want Kanira. Kanira, tell me what is this?
Ma'am, that's his hat.
No,
ma'am.
that's not a hat. You must know the
That's a cap,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, cap. You must know the difference between a cap. The hat will show you later. It's a cap. Thank you, Kanira. C-A-P, cap. Now I want Kailina. Now Kailina will make a big noise. Now Kailina, slowly. Kailina, just tell me what is this? Kailina,
Tie.
what is this?
Tie.
It's a tie. Tell me the spelling of tie. You know? No. I
I.
I-E. Tie. That's all. T-I-E. You use tie when you go to school. With your uniform, you laugh. Okay, thank you, Kailina. Now, Misty, just tell me what is this. Now, girls and boys will wear all same clothes nowadays.
Shorts, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see the presentation. Ma'am, I can't see the presentation. Ma'am, we can't see the presentation. Ma'am, I can't see the presentation. I can't see the presentation, ma'am. Ma'am, we can't see the presentation.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't see the presentation.
Never mind. Never mind. The battery was low. Never mind. I will just speak. 1 minute. Now, listen. Afterwards, I'll show you. You just take your textbook, children, page number 15. Take page number 15, children. Shaina, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Okay. Take page number 15. Actually, 1 minute. 1 minute. When it's ready, I will go back. Take page number 15. Yes. Did everyone take page number 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. When the laptop is ready, don't shout. We'll go back there.
Number.
Page number 15. Different clothes for different seasons. I will ask one by one to read from the book. Different clothes for different seasons. Okay. Now I want Cyrus to read that. That full paragraph. Cyrus, yes, Cyrus, please help me. You start the heading. Different.
Different clothes for different seasons. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. We wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. It keeps us dry.
I will show you. Wait 1 minute. It's come after this because after this we can read. Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. Now, Deep, can you tell me what is this? Tridip, I called somebody else, I thought. Tridip. Mishti, sorry,
Ma'am, you
Mishti.
told
Mishti.
me I missed.
Mishti, can you tell me what is this, Mishti? No.
It is
See
called
it's shorts. Shorts. Okay, see the cut over there.
Shorts.
Suddenly that battery was low. Sorry, children, and we can continue. Shorts. The spelling of shorts: SHORTS. Thank you. Cyrus, thank you so much for reading. I'll give you a chance again. Okay. Now tell me what is this. Now, Tridip, I want you to tell me exactly what is this. Don't tell exact name of it. It's not like colloquial language what we use. You just tell me. What is it? Yes. I didn't hear. No, not pant. You tell another word. Let me see. Another word. What is it? Pants, we will tell like that. Okay. Anyone? Very good. Pants, not wrong. Trousers. You have to tell trousers. Pants, correct. We'll use frequently. Trousers. Very good, children. And next, don't say altogether. Somebody told me when I showed you cap, hat. This is hat, okay? I'll give you explanation. This is hat. Just look. Don't worry about the timing. You just look, children. This is a hat, and you saw the other one. That's a cap. Now see, and somebody told instead of shirt, t-shirt. That was a shirt, and this is a t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt. Did you understand, children? And this is a t-shirt. Now, see this. Now, wait. I'm not going to ask everybody because time up. I'll just give explanation. Just 10 minutes. Raincoat. See the raincoat? You wear it on rainy days. Now, 1 minute. Now, you have your textbook, children. Now, Cyrus read the first one. He did so well. And I want Tridip to read what are clothes made of. Other things we will make it for the next day. What are clothes made of? Tridip, can you read this? Just 5 minutes. Yeah. Read loud. We get
Cotton from cotton plant. Cotton grows in
pots. These
the
pots.
pots are big.
And
Threads is made from them. Making threads from cotton is called spinning. This threads
made into
cotton
cloth on a loom.
Make cloth from threads is called weaving.
Now, thank you so much, Tridip, and thank you so much for everybody. We will read in next class. This much you have to go through it, okay, in the recording. Thank you so much. Now you can take rest. You can any questions?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can
Thank you, honey, ma'am.
take rest.
Thank you, ma'am.